Welcome to the in front of me Honor 7X, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So first, just hold for a while to your screen, and here you'll see the transitions icon. Go there, and as you can see right now, you can select one from these animations. For example, I'll go in with the rotate one. And now just to set this animation, just go back, and here as can you see right now, our home screen transition has changed successfully to the another one. And if you want to just go turn it back, your regular default transition, go to the settings, also go to the transitions icon, and here switch it to the default one. And as can you see, we got our regular normal animation. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment, and subscribe our channel.